Carla Marie coming to you live from Bacon Beer Classic at Safe Field. This isn't a microphone, I don't know why I'm doing that, but Anthony is about to compete in the bacon eating contest. He needs to eat 24 pieces of bacon and beat out these other people. So let's check in with Anthony. Hold on. Anthony,
yes.
Are you nervous?
A little bit. Are we on Facebook now, or is it still Snapchat?
Facebook.
Oh, it's on Facebook. What? That's a phone.
It's a microphone.
It's a phone,
What
not a
are the
microphone.
most amount of pieces of bacon you've ever eaten in one sitting?
What are the most amount?
Shut up and answer the question.
In one sitting, I probably had like a dozen pieces of bacon, which I have to double now for today's competition.
How did you prepare for this competition?
Well, I thought it was yesterday. That was the biggest problem. Is I thought it was yesterday because our producer Brent told us it was yesterday.
It's not my fault.
I was mentally prepared. You know when pitchers, yeah, seriously. You know when pitchers have to pitch on like 4 days rest instead of 5 days rest? I feel like that. Like I wasn't ready because everything I did in my life was ready for yesterday.
How do you feel about the competition looking down the line?
I'm not gonna lie, the guy in the cowboy hat and the beard scares the living crap out of me. Like physically scares me, and also for this competition.
I'm sorry, I'm sharing on my Facebook. So just a little insight of what happens here. Andre, can you hand me a cup so I can tell everyone what happens? So you get one of these when you walk in, it's ceramic, and you can try it out on every beer here that's trying. But if you drop it and it breaks, the whole place screams, basically the biggest party foul ever, and you don't get another cup. So take this from me before I drop it. And then I can't have any more beer. See what people are talking about at Safe Field. Hold on. I'm sharing this on my Facebook. Sorry.
Jeff is rooting for you. He says you got it, bro.
Thank you, Jeff. Also, you can follow me, Radio Anthony, on Snapchat. Carla Marie will be snapping.
He thinks I'll be snapping.
Oh, thank you. Introduce yourself.
Hold on. Say that.
Should we get to this?
Hi, I'm Jacob, and this guy right here has a very nice voice.
That's like the first time I've ever heard that.
What are you on? Power Money? Hold on. Sorry. Anthony.
Yes.
Talk to the camera when no one wants to watch me stare at this video.
Here we go. How did you prepare for the bacon eating competition? Oh,
You're the worst interviewer ever.
I didn't.
Really the worst. I had a couple strips of bacon. Only issue is here at the Beer and Bacon Classic, you can just sample all the food and all the beer for free once you get in. So I had to stop myself. I had about 6 or 7 of the small size beers, and I tried to stop myself. Oh, a lot.
We're starting right now.
Top of me. That's all I care about.
Here we go. Here we go.
Let's do it! Hashtag Crown Bacon.
Proud bacon. We're starting now.
Crown Bacon.
Right here. All right, Stephanie would like to know, what do you plan on doing if you win?
If I win, and they're probably gonna get really mad at me, and I'll get arrested, I'm running onto the field.
He's running on the
If
field,
I
ladies
win,
and gentlemen.
I am jumping off of this onto the field. And
No,
just
he's
running
not,
around.
because then he's going to get fired, and then I get fired.
I'm not gonna get fired for running onto the field. I'm not gonna get fired. Maybe I'll get fired.
Somebody drop their cup! Somebody drop their cup! I told you!
A little harsh? I don't know. I'm just trying to distract myself. Another cup is broken.
Keep it straight, Carla. Kathy says.
Yes, seriously, get your head in the game.
My head is in the game.
Here we go.
Ready? You got it! You got it!
I don't like this. Oh my.
Oh, here it is.
Child's play.
No, right?
That's a lot of
So
bacon.
Anthony just got the bacon.
That's a lot of bacon.
You're gonna bomb. How many pizzas do you bomb?
This is 24 pieces of bacon.
Crown Bacon.
Alonzo wants to know,
Okay.
are you nervous?
I am nervous.
We gotta
I am
have one
nervous.
Crown Bacon. Crown Bacon. One Crown Bacon.
All right, I will put the crowd bacon on the side. However, if I'm eating a close to 20, I'm eating the crowd bacon.
All right, wait. So explain why is everyone putting one piece on the side?
The last piece.
Okay, so the goal is everyone's supposed to throw their last piece to the crowd.
I think they're tricking you.
I think they're tricking me. I don't trust them. I don't trust the guy in the beard. He might be a nice guy. I'm trying to lose. I didn't come here to lose. Thanks, manager.
Sophia wants to tell you don't vomit.
I'm gonna try not to. Well,
Remember why we brought you here.
Corin says, do you
we got a
think
slow clap going for the crowd? We got a slow clap? You guys? Let's go. There we go. Come on. Help me out. There we go.
On my life to hear that. Yes.
There we go.
People are so drunk they can't even clap. This is
Right.
Crowd bacon. I win. I'm throwing mine again.
What are the rules?
Stephanie says, Carla, that you should be doing this.
Carla should not be competing. I would be good with that.
She's busy Snapchatting.
They won't be words. They won't be words.
Sean wants to know, did you wash your hands before you started this?
No. I didn't. I mean, I showered before I came here.
Shub is rooting you on. He says you got this.
Thanks, Shoop. Happy birthday. Oh, wait, tomorrow's his birthday? What's today's date?
I don't know when your
Tomorrow's
birthday
Shoop's birthday. Happy birthday, Shoop, tomorrow.
is. Guess what? I don't care.
Very neat. Remember that when you're doing your next sale. She doesn't. I do.
All you gotta do is grab your spray and push it.
Heather,
It smells so good.
Oh.
here we go. Here we go.
It's about to happen. Anthony has to eat 24 pieces of bacon faster than the rest of the people here. He's up against 4 other people.
I'm on the big screen for the first time ever.
Anthony's up on the big screen right now.
I can't help you. I'm trying to help you.
You're doing good. You're ahead.
Go on, me.
Everyone's rooting for you.
So the winner spit all over everyone, including the cameraman. He didn't get the final thing because he was covered in spit.
Kevin Bacon's heart attack.
I want a piece. Bacon's not that good.
All right, Anthony, how do you feel right now?
So I had about 19 pieces of bacon. Oh, about 18 pieces of bacon.
Hey man, I bet you make a mean BLT. Hell yeah.
Hey, somebody takes meat like my man. Yeah!
That's impressive. That's impressive. I guess I'm gonna sit here and eat the rest of this bacon.
No, let's get wasted.
And I'm gonna get wasted. Thanks for checking us out, I guess. Sorry I lost. Damn it.
Guys, thanks for stopping by. Facebook Live. Do things like Anthony on Facebook, @WorstAnthony. I'm the Carla Marie. You should also like CM and Anthony